Hey, top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning. Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back. Jamaican anglers fishing at them again. You know, today we're doing some not surf casting today. We're gonna set some line, yeah. Surf fishing. So we're on Port Royal. I just stopped downtown, get some bait. No bait nowhere but downtown. So I got some bait downtown. Heading to Port Royal. I'm actually at Port Royal already. So I don't know what me I catch now. Place too crowded. Now the place are crowded, so you don't know already. I have to them clear up the place and block it up too. Anyhow, people, we catch at the beach side, alright? So stay tuned. Fish on every time. So here we go now, here we go. Yes, so we are here now, setting up the rods and stuff. Alright, first of all, open the bait bucket. Yeah, I'm gonna get like a fresh air. Then I set out the first rod, you know. I always love set out, before we do anything else, I love to set out a little one rod in the meantime. So this one always outside. Not gonna strap it up too much, you know. So we can get it out first. And then in the meantime now, me and I try unpack the rest. Can't get a hook up me while, you know. If the fish them out there, you know. If. Anyway, I put on a live one on this and put it out. See if the live one out there. Anything that took up the live bit in the early morning here, you know. There's some live one here, so. I'm going to put on a little live bang here. I'm going to spin him now through the nose. Spin him through the nose, give him a nose spin. Alright, so see me here? It was wire. Alright. Put out the first bait now and see if we can catch anything. Alright. I want the same gun out. Alright, so see a whole of weed in the water there now. Weed. Whole heap of weed, man. Alright, so number one rod out for a whole of weed. That's a weed, man. Go get one rake and rake out the water. I think like how the weather calm down, now the weed them would have gone. Yeah. Anyhow, people, we have to go and work with the weed for the time until the breeze come up. So that's a number one. Alright guys, so I'm soon get back to you when I set up the rest, alright? So come. If you hear me, I talk to myself, I'm not mad here. Eh? I say if you hear me, I talk to myself, I'm not mad. No man, me have a camera and I make a video, you know? So people might see me I talk to myself and say, right, the brother they are mad. So as I tell you for now, so I'm mad, me I'm mad. You know people stay ready. So blow, Mr. China mad. Yes sir. People me not mad here. Not mad at all. So them boatman outside and mash up the kingfish them with live bait. So go over that side over there. The boatman right listen, see the front of the boat cock up in the air. Yeah man, the man there catch up the kingfish them with live bait. Ah, yes. Try to see if I can catch a snapper still or jack or anything at all about it, you know, dead bait, you know. Cause I use mostly dead bait, dead bang. I have a few live ones in the boat. Them are drop out too quick here, man, so might as well use it dead one. Now I've no other choice, you know. I go and see if I can pick up right here, so in the meantime. Everything I just set out 2 line and do. Nobody use up the whole of the bait them, you know. Cause if I use up the whole of the bait them, might not have done for later. And I never catch enough. So just maybe after I take up this one again, and I'll put it up back until later on. Them say the weather's supposed to calm today. Not so rough today for the whole day. So only when the water rough, the weed come up plentiful and not up the line. So the water stay long like this, so you know, maybe the weed will go later on. So stay tuned, people. We soon come back to you. Come back to you on the hookup. Alright? So don't go anywhere. Yeah, so the weed coming back in the water now, you know, guys. Weed coming back now. A while ago it kinda clean up. And it coming back now. But I tell you, say I get too run a while ago, you see, man. I know what happen. Whenever you're fixing something, you know, or doing something, that's the time the fish them take up the rod, you know, take up the line, you know. The rod at the middle, you know, it'll give me some trouble, you know. The handle couldn't tighten properly. I'm gonna take up the line, start searching back because I'm supposed to have a spear handle in my bag. So I look for the handle to take off the little knob to screw it in to see if it will tighten up properly. When I take a stack of it, the time I have my hand at the bag of search, the rod on the extreme right, run after it. By the time I take me out of the bag and run, go down to the rod, the fish leg or the bait. You see me I say? Eh? I'm there, sit down long with on the rod now, and the rod no run. As soon as me I do something, come back again with the same rod again. I get fed up and leave the rod and say, I can't bother with it, man. So, tune up now, go and me take up at the rod again, the middle one now, get trouble the same way. Take it up now, put it beside me. Take off the angle now. By the time I take off the handle of my hand, this rod on the extreme left right here, so. This one right here, so. Take off again, you know, man. That time I have the angle of my hand, you know, man. If I drop the angle and the rod, you know, by the time I reach it, you know, man, the rod come back up again, you know, man. Me I tell you, say a joke thing this morning, you know, this morning out here, you know. So when I sit down now, sit down now, I not do nothing, you know. I finally fix it now, you know. So I sit down now, I not do nothing. So watch now if me not get the run now, you know. Better me not get the run. If I take up a rod now, that time I'll get the run. This is joke thing, you know, I tell you. Anyhow, I still not do nothing. I sit down and watch them because they might run off on me or do something. I will see if they might run off on me, not do nothing. Right? So guys, stay tuned, you know. I soon come back again. Alright? Bro, what you believe this that? Whoa! Oh man, I shot that one. Don't spoon me. Come here, boy, come here. You're not stop, eh? Come here. Eh? Oh, why am I avant, you know? Eh? Now put too much pressure upon him. Come here, boy, fish on, man. Come here, I don't want him to go down to the reef then, eh? Nice size fish in there. I have to put him in the water because I don't have the ice box. I have the big ice box. I have the small one. So I'm not ready to leave it. I'm going to see if I can try it to catch something else. Yeah, people, nice one. After time up in the water, I'm still ready. I'm still ready though. African pompano, see me guys. Weigh this fish. I'm going to weigh this fish right now, no people. I'm going to get a little place so I can weigh him. But it look like this thing can't. How me hook this thing in the mouth now, brother? Can't hook this in the mouth, man. This can't hook it. Oh, hook it right there. Right, yeah. So, I think it's not even stay in. I want to this one. Stay in, you know, nothing, man. Yeah, so that people 18 pounds. About 18 pounds. I can't get the scale won't lock. The scale won't lock, you know, people, but it's about 18 pounds. You can see it? Who can see it? I don't even know if you can see it, but me see it right here, sir. 18 pounds. Right? 18. Nice fish, 18. So guys, after me fight the fish, you know, after I fight the fish and bring him right up and check, say now I catch all the clippings. I don't know what happened to the camera, it stopped record right at the time when we take out the fish out of the water. So I'm gonna get the part when we take the fish out of the water. That part of the clippings disappear. I can't find it on the GoPro, I don't know wait there. You see me I say, man? I don't know what kind of thing that, you know. But anyhow, still, I still have the fish in the water out there, so still, you know. But I tell you, so them camera here, you know, I tell you, you can't depend on them, you know. Because I think so now I catch all the clippings. I want to take a stock at some of the clippings gone. The good things I have him in the water now, I can show you, say, yeah, I catch him, see him there. I tell you. Anyhow, people, I still wait for another run, alright? So, stay tuned, alright? We soon come back with another one. Must catch another one, you know. Because what I say, fish on every time. Alright guys, it's actually time to pack up and leave this place, you know. Yeah man, it was not a bad day today at all. I managed to pick up a 18.5 pound or 18.25 pound African pompano. And I get a few runs before that and them spit out the bait and me not catch them. But if you see a snap of them still, you know what? You know, it's alright, so me catch a one fish and the fish alright. You know, big fish. So you don't know already. When I say fish on every time, I mean fish on every time. No joke about it, you know, fish on every time. So anyhow, I'll pack up and leave this place now, alright? So, time to go home. Catch you guys in the next one. So take care, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out of here.